What is up, everyone? It's been a long time since I made a video. I've been active on TikTok, so if you guys want to follow me, you can follow me on there. I've been doing a lot of get ready with me to go to work and a lot of mini work vlogs as well. So if you guys are interested in that, give me a follow. I do look a little crazy. I did break out a few days ago. It's still not going away. But today I'm going to declutter my makeup. Like, I'm gonna throw them away. Hey, there's Maya. So I'm gonna throw a lot of foundations away. I'm gonna go through my lipsticks, and yeah, it's gonna be such a sad day because I've had these items for more than, it's gonna be so gross, more than 3, 4, 5 years, maybe 6, 7. It's been a long time since I had these products, so I'm like, I need to get rid of them like ASAP. Do I regret buying them? Shit, I do. I really do. There's a lot of foundations that are pretty full and they reek. So I'm like, damn, this is what happens when you buy so much crap, right? Gotta get rid of them, right? Okay, let's get started. We're gonna get started with these lipsticks. Look how much lipsticks I have. It's so ridiculous. You can tell that this orange one is so old. Do you see it? This troll one. Ugh. Okay, got my bag, but throw them away. Now this lipstick is so iconic. I think I already mentioned it in the last video, well, last video. I don't know why I bought it. I really don't. So this one's obviously going in the trash. These lip glosses, so old. My goodness. Well, except for this one. This one's not old. I'm gonna keep a few that I think that are new. I think that's so funny. So I'm definitely keeping this. Ew, why is it so... Oh shoot, I think a lip gloss exploded or something. What the heck? That honestly hurts me because they're so pretty. I want to keep this one. Can I keep this one? I'm keeping this one. I don't care what y'all say. So these ones in the trash for sure. Ooh. This one smells like Play-Doh. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah, this one spilled right out. Okay, this is gonna be so gross, but I think I've had this back in 2017. I think. You can tell that I had it for a long time. This is ready to go. Look at that, it's all dried up. Gross. This is brand new. Does it still expire if it's like not even open? Let me know, because I think I'm gonna keep this one. This one's like sealed. Oh, this is another iconic lipstick. Y'all remember Kat Von D had her own line? Hey, Maya. Maya. Yeah, look at that. I think I want it. Well, I don't want to keep it. Look at the color. So pretty. Oh, this is so hard. Do I even want to make this video? Oh my goodness. Shit. Oh wow. Nope. Victoria's Secret lip tubes. I don't really smell anything. Yeah, I'm keeping this. This one I'm keeping. Yeah, I think I'm through with these ones. This one is still kind of new. Yeah, this one's still new. So is this one. Yeah, this one's still good. Look at this pretty color from Gucci. You guys can see it? So pretty. I'm Crime. And it looks brand new. Look at the packaging. I miss the old packaging. It's so pretty. Like, I want to take the lipstick out and keep this. Should I do that? I think I'm gonna do that. It has no scent. Does that mean it's still good? I think I'm gonna keep this. Just for the packaging. Yeah, this one's still good. This one's brand new. Well, it's kind of oldish, but it's brand new. It doesn't smell. Might keep. I'm keeping this one for sure. This one. Ooh. Oh, Fenty. Haven't worn this in years. I'm gonna keep this lipstick, of course. Why did I buy this lipstick? Like, it's so green. Why did I do that? More dose of colors. These are my favorite. But they gotta go. My box is getting so empty. This is a pretty color. Oh, that smells like Play-Doh. But look at the color. That is pretty. But it's gotta go. Oh, and it's brand new. Don't be like me. Don't be buying stuff because you want to. Always ask yourself, do I want it or do I need it? Y'all remember Bite Makeup or Bite Beauty? It used to smell like fruit. Not no more. Oof. Yeah. Marc Jacobs. I think this was in the Sephora like points thingy. Never used it. Makeup by Mario. Yeah, I'm keeping this. Oh, this is so pretty. Why am I putting myself through this? It's not fair. I'm keeping that. It's called Smarty Pants. So gross. Anastasia liquid. Ooh. Oh, this one smells so bad. Ooh. I'm sorry, but I have to smell each and every one of these. I have to. YSL. Still smells good. I'm keeping this. It's YSL. What is this one? Ooh. Never mind. Oh my goodness, no. Oh, this is my favorite. Okay, this was my favorite one from Huda. It's called Empress, but it doesn't. I don't think she wants to be there anymore. I mean, she still smells good, so yeah, I'm keeping her. These ones. Oh, another Bite Beauty. Oh, is this the green one? It's the green one. Look at how pretty this one is. Green. Oh. Ooh, I think this was the Alice in Wonderland collab with Urban Decay. Oh, yeah, you know, it's been years. This is from Laura Mercier. This one's pretty. Well, I'm not really a red lipstick person, but I'll use it. No. Well, I'm not gonna use it. That's the problem with me. I just buy things and I'm like, I'm gonna put it away. Yeah, what the hell am I gonna do with yellow lipstick? This one's pretty. Oh. Makeup by Mario. Yeah, this is still new. This one's still new. Yeah. Oh, KBD. Yeah. Okay, well, I don't feel like looking at any of these ones no more because I think we're done. Yeah, we're definitely done. All right. This is it. This is it. This is insane. Crazy. I am not going to donate any of these because they are over 3 years old or 5 years old. And I'm not going to donate these. They smell really, really bad. Yeah, so that's the sad thing about these. Throwing them away. I don't want anyone to get like a bad reaction. It's not worth it. It's really not worth it. All right, so I'm keeping a few stuff because I did buy a few newer foundations. So I'm gonna keep those, but let's start this one's kind of new. No, it's new. It's new. I just had to shake it up a little bit. Okay, do these foundations? I feel like some foundations. Oh. Oh no, okay. I'm okay. That was just me, you guys. Nothing big deal. So I'm keeping this. Flawless Fusion. I got this one at Marshall, so it's still good, I think. Ugh. Yeah, this stuff is not good anymore, but I gotta let it go. I can't. All right, this is still new. The Morphe foundations. I don't know. I mean, they're cool. I bought 6, 7 when they were closing down the Morphe stores, and they were like $3. So I bought a bunch, and there's another one. There's gonna be more, trust me. More. This is from Smashbox. Do they even make this? The Studio Skin, do they still make this? Probably not. This is not a good idea. This is all the Morphe foundation I bought. Well, there's probably more. The Makeup by Mario. Oh. Oh no, that's really bad. That's really, really bad. This stuff still smells the same. Y'all remember Frankie Rose? I used to buy a lot of stuff from Frankie Rose. That's crazy. I remember all the influencers would be all about this brand. Of course, I'm not keeping that. Look at that oil. Y'all see that oil? Probably not. It's on camera, but yeah. This Maybelline. Why is it white? Oh man. Yeah, I'm not keeping this one. Ooh. Nope, not keeping this. 310. Okay, I need to remember this because I need to go shopping for my foundation. Yeah, I don't know if they still make these foundations. Some Too Faced Born This Way. I think I bought this when it just first came out. It's been a long time. Not a good idea to keep it. This one, ooh, I had it since 2017, I think. Had it for so many years. This one, oh, KBD. Good Apple. I like this foundation. Yeah, I'm keeping that. This one is way too orange-ish for me. Yeah, it still smells the same. I'm keeping this one. This one, oh yeah. Oh, I don't know. How do you say this one? Oma? This is a really dark foundation. Why did I buy this? This one you can't really smell, but I'm almost finished with it. Kinda. Yeah, this one's really gross. Oh, let me see if there's a difference in the smell. I think this one's way older than... Oh. Never mind, she doesn't want to open. This one is brand new. Fenty, brand new for sure. This one's definitely old. The primer from Her Beauty, I got it when it just came out, so yeah, it's not a good idea. I mean, these ones are still brand new. They still have that plastic around it. This one for sure I'm not keeping. Oh, you guys. Yeah, I feel like these ones smell good. So these ones are good. The Anastasia foundation is still good. I got it last year. So I don't think it's that bad, right? I don't think it's bad. Did I show you what it looked like before? Probably not. But, oh. Nope. So that's all I'm keeping for myself. That is basically it. So let me show you what I'm getting rid of. All the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of. These are just old products that don't smell good. This one, I really don't want to get rid of it. Oh wow. Yeah, so all of these are gonna go in the trash. So thank you guys for watching this video. And like I said, I'm more active on TikTok, so go ahead and follow me. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can follow me. So I'll see you guys in the next video.